I'm going to this shop. It's called Spirit Halloween. It's a Halloween store. All Halloween, all the time. And I'm really excited about that. I wish they had something like that in Italy. Not likely, not plausible at all. But, so I'm going to show you around. Halloween store in Thornhill. This is the first thing you see when you enter. Oh my gosh, I like those dogs. That is really cool. There's the Grim Reaper, a demon. Alright then. Oh my gosh, look at those creepy dolls. I hate dolls. Maybe some of you like creepy dolls. Creepy haunted dolls. Okay, the speakers are right there, so it's really loud. You get some cute clothes. This is a mask that is actually very realistic, and you can get it with this costume here. That's really, no, like seriously, it's realistic, this mask. These are Wet n Wild makeup kits. So I'm going to get this one. Oh gosh. So you can walk through here and just be careful. Okay. I know. It says, try me. Okay then. Try me. It just wiggles around. Hey, this one looks super creepy. Try me. Okay, I'm sorry I tried you. This one doesn't work. Does this work? Something like that? No. No, this one doesn't work. It's scary, right?
Yeah.
The scariest one.
Yeah, that's scary.
Kids section. So after being scared, you can go be a superhero. I really like these for kids. I think they're really cute and cool. This thing is huge, look, compared to my face. Oh gosh. You can totally be an anime character or someone from Assassin's Creed. And they have medieval costumes. I want Enrico to be a knight one day. They have those knight costumes there. And you can be a pirate, girls. I really love steampunk, so this is awesome. Oh, I would totally be that if I could go trick-or-treating or something. Okay, I'm gonna step here. Hi.
Hello, do you want to play with me? Let's play a game. The rules are very simple.